Hey everybody, we are all packed up and cleaned up and yep, we're ready to go, and we're the only ones left right here in my section. Yep, me and Danny, we're ready. Danny's ready. Says, come on Mom, let's hit the road. Let's go. Well, the pavilion is empty and the campfire is put out. We're rolling on out. Had a great time at M23. I want to thank everybody that was so kind to me that I met on this journey here to this event, and I hope to be able to return next year. Hopefully it'll work with my schedule, and who knows, maybe I can even come up next summer.
See you on the next one.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. And we'll dance the night.
If you've been watching my videos, I've been up here in Michigan for about a month now. My focus was to come up and spend some great quality time with my friend from high school, my childhood friend Marcia. Enjoy visiting with her and getting a chance to see her ranch and go horseback riding. And then both of us were going to head to a girls' meetup with the gals from high school. The girls made arrangements to stay in an Airbnb, but Danny travels with me and there's no dogs allowed there. So Marcia, Blue, that's her dog, and Diva Danni, my dog, are gonna camp. But they told me I needed a passport. So for $39, I got my passport, booked our reservation, and Marcia and I and the two puppy dogs are headed to Van Buren State Park, located in South Haven, Michigan. But before we can get on the road, we have to finish harvesting Marcia's tomatoes out of her garden. And we're making some spaghetti sauce. I call it gravy, and we are going to use our Ninja processors. Yep, Dueling Ninjas. Well, into the water bath canning system, that's what we're using. And oh my gosh, they turn out so good. I got to take a couple jars with me to take on the road. Yep, I'll be using those. I also need to get my mini dash cam set up in the van for my travels. Yes, I now have an A119 Mini 2 dash cam to put in the van. Yes, in the den. And it will be capturing my travels. And also, it can monitor my security around my van while I am parked. It has a parking mode and a little SD card, and it has a looping system. It is so neat. I'm really excited about this dash cam. It has a remote, a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth remote that I can utilize, or I could just install the app on my phone and monitor it from my telephone. It's a mini unit, so it's really great. It's got an awesome picture. This camera comes with a GPS feature on it. You get the plugs you need, the wires you need, and it is so cool. There's other options available, like the remote. That's what I got, the Bluetooth remote. This camera has the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. It's got a quad HD 14440p super night vision, built-in Wi-Fi, the GPS logger, parking mode like I mentioned, voice control, and the optional Bluetooth remote that you can purchase. Look at the size of this thing. It fits in the palm of my hand. It is so cool. Turn on screen. Wake up, Danny. No, only kidding. Turn on screen. It's a VioFo. VioFo. You say potato and I say potato. VioFo. There's Danny. She's sleeping. If you're an RVer, like I am, and it's great to have a camera like this that can replay and capture anything that might happen when you're away from your vehicle or while you're on the road. So I really highly recommend that everybody have a dash cam. This is so cool. I can't wait to put it in my van because, you know, I pull my trailer with my van. So it's going to be perfect for us when we're traveling. Look for the link that I'm going to put in the description and you can get $20 off on this dash cam.
Keto. Not keto.
Gelato. Yep, sometimes girls just got to do what girls just got to do. Yep, we had a taste test the gelato at the store. Okay, so when I ran out to the store today, it was raining cruddy weather. I put my dash cam up. It's working really good. Today we took a ride over to the Country Mill. And this is a family-owned farm and winery. And they've got some really cool stuff inside here. And some awesome food. Yeah. And vegetables and all kinds of stuff.
Have a great day and stay tuned for our next video.